Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a card with a black background. It is Monday, so it is personalized card as well. For my focal point, I decided to use Ornate Butterflies stamp set collection from Crafter's Companion, and I'm going to stamp the butterflies on a black background. To do it, I've got stamping platform, and I'm going to place my black card inside, put the magnets, and then place my stamp. Super quick and easy, and this way, whenever you use stamping platform, you will make sure that all the images are stamped properly. And you do have professional finish. To stamp my butterflies, I'm going to use anti-static bag first because I'm going to do heat embossing, and to do it I need to use Versamark ink, which is clear, transparent and sticky ink, and this way our embossing powder will stick beautifully to our image. And if you use stamping platform, if you don't stamp your image properly, you can go back and do it again. Now I'm using my gold embossing powder. It is my favorite, and I wonder, how often do you do heat embossing on a black background? Please let me know in the comments down below. I decided for this project to go with gold and black because I think this is a very elegant color combo. If you agree, please let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love the shine of gold embossing powder, and to color in all my butterflies, I'm going to use metallic Aquarel Box, and these are watercolor paints. To reactivate them, I'm using my spray bottle and I'm spraying water on the paints. I'm also going to use water brush. However, I don't have any water inside it. I'm actually going to use a pot with water to blend, mix and spread the paint inside the butterflies. And what's really amazing about that, you can actually use any watercolor paint on top, because heat embossing actually resists water and paint. So this way you won't have any mistakes. It will look beautiful and you will be definitely happy with the result. As you can see, I'm choosing some blues, purples, greens and also pinks and oranges. And I think this will give my card really nice finish, and it will be very interesting because whenever you use metallic paints, the shine is absolutely stunning. I wonder, how often do you use metallic paints in your paper crafting? Maybe you do have your favorite brand, so please share it in the comments down below. If you have any excess of the water, you can always use a piece of tissue to lift off the water, and it is done. Now I'm going to cut it out. So to start off with, I'm going to use cutting mat and a craft knife. I'm going to fussy cut using a craft knife just the inside of my butterfly frame, and as you can see, I'm literally checking every single time if the cut is properly done, because we do want that professional finish. And I wonder, how often do you actually use craft knife in your card making? Because I try to do it quite often actually. So please let me know if you do the same. When this is ready, I'm going to use my scissors to cut the outside of the frame. And this way it will look beautiful. And as you can see, it is ready. I'm going to place it on my black card. And for this project, I decided to use 7 by 7 inches card base. So this black square is slightly smaller. To decorate the edges, I'm going to use cutting dies from Altenew called Polish Papercuts 3D die. I absolutely love it. As you can see, I die cut loads of elements with different colors, and I'm going to create those beautiful flower folk art in the corners on my card using all those beautiful elements. And always the trickiest part is to choose what color combo you want. I absolutely love Polish folk art, and I decided, yes, why not? Let's use it on a black background. And if you have never ever seen my other projects where I created some folk art videos, please check them out because I really like them. And if you like this technique as well, check it out. Maybe you will feel inspired to create something similar. Now, when I've got my flowers ready, I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue magic glue to adhere all those elements on my card base. As you can see, it is quick, simple, and you do have very nice, bright and vivid elements. And I wonder, do you like this card so far? If you do, I really hope you will create something similar, or if you don't have any flowers or butterflies, maybe you can use other elements on a black background. If you do, please share it in the comments because I would love to see your beautiful creations. When these elements are ready, I decided to choose a sentiment. However, I didn't have a cutting die with a sentiment, so I decided to use alphabet cutting die to create my sentiment. And also I put 2 layers of double-sided foam adhesive on the back of my butterflies. And this way I will make sure to place my sentiment exactly in the middle of my frame. I use elegant alphabet from Tattered lace, and I use it with gold and white card, and this way I will have really nice variation. So as you can see, I adhered my words create every day, and now I'm going to peel off my double-sided foam adhesive, and I'm going to put few drops of liquid glue because this way we're going to make sure that it will be adhered forever. When this is ready, I've got some double-sided tape on the back of my panel, and using my pokey tool I make it super easy, and I'm going to place it on gold card, and this way I'll have a matching frame for my butterflies. Now I've got 7 by 7 inches card base, and yes, it is time to finish the card, but we are missing one thing. And if you know me, you probably know that I love gold gems, and here they are. So it is time to put them in the corners, and this way we have sort of symmetry, but it is a little bit offset. What do you think about this card? Do you like it? I really hope this video inspires you to create something beautiful with florals or maybe butterflies, or simply with black background. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Bye!